So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you the best high CPM ad network which actually have direct links, and you can actually take advantage of such network to go on to making money without stress right now. And the cool thing about such platforms is that most of them actually do go on to paying you through the wire bank transfer, some through cryptocurrencies, and even the Pioneer right there and other platforms right now. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online in conjunction with other AI tools right there. And if you do like such kinds of content, make sure you do go on to checking out my channel right there and actually do watch such kinds of videos that could help you boost your income online. And guys, you also want to make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure notification bells are actually turned on. And with that being said, let's cut right to the chase and jump right ahead into today's video. So the first platform right here is called the AdMob.com, and this is actually an amazing platform which you can take control of your advertising right here. You can actually do go on to monetizing your website right here on this particular platform and start uploading or promoting some direct links right there. And in doing so guys, once people do start getting cool engagement to such direct links, you do actually start earning some cool amount right there. And like I said, you do get high CPM networks right here, because the high CPM, even with little amount of traffic, you do start getting paid some cool amount right now because it actually had a high CPM right here. You just want to make sure you do go on to signing up to this platform and actually do go on to monetizing your website right now. As you can see, you could monetize your website with AdMob. They monetize desktop and mobile audiences, generate on any platform, and you can actually earn from both the mainstream and adult inventory with worldwide direct campaigns and high eCPMs and coverage right here using this platform. So you just want to make sure you do go on to taking advantage of this platform right now to monetize your website right here, or your in-apps, your paid traffic, email address, and then a lot more other stuff right here on this particular platform. So moving on to the second ICPM platform which you could go on to monetizing and start making money is this particular platform right here, which is called the PopAds or the PopAds.net right now. And if you do head onto this platform, you could go on to sign up as an advertiser or as a publisher. But it is quite important you do go on to sign up as a publisher right here, because if you do click on publisher, you'll be able to see more details right here. And if you do head on to becoming a publisher or creating an account as a publisher, that's where you can actually do go on to taking advantage of their high CPM right here. We just simply go on to monetizing your website also, because it is quite important you do go on to having a website. And if you do just simply go on to monetizing your website on such platforms and getting some cool direct links which you can actually do go on to promoting on your platforms right there or your website, you can actually do start making money with this platform right here called the PopAds.net. So the third platform right now is called the PopCash.net. As you can see, the previous one right here was called the PopAds.net, while this one right here is called the PopCash.net. And this is actually an amazing platform also, where you can actually do get the chance of registering as an advertiser or as a publisher. But it's quite important that you do go on to registering as a publisher right here and actually do start earning money right here with this platform. As you can see, it do has a fast approval rate, the fast payments, and you can see some cool and amazing advantages of these platforms right here, which is called the PopCash.net. So you could take advantage of this platform also to go on to getting cool and amazing direct links that do have high CPM, which with a little amount of traffic you do get to make reasonable amount of money from these particular platforms. So the fourth right here is called the Hilltop Ads.com. As you can see right now, it's called the Hilltop Ads.com. You do also go on to getting access to registering as a publisher and as an advertiser on this platform also. And you could then just simply go on to checking out the ad format to this platform. You could see that you do have the push notification types of ad format, the video ads, the pops up, and the direct links right here, display banner, and a lot more other stuff right here. But what we're actually more interested in is the direct links right now. if you do click on direct link, go on to registering on this platform and start monetizing your website right here and actually start making money using these platforms right here. And like I said, this is also a high CPM ad network which you could take advantage of. So the fourth right here, or the fifth right now, is this platform called the Moneytag.com. This is also an amazing platform which you could also go on to taking advantage of. And if I do log into my account on Moneytag, I can actually do go onto the direct link section, and it's quite easy to go onto creating a direct link. You can see right here that this is actually a direct link which I actually created on this platform right now. And if I do click on copy, this is not actually a link yet. You do actually have to go onto maybe a new tab, and if I do go into a new tab, I'm just going to paste in that particular link, and at the beginning of this particular link, I'm just going to type in the HTTPS, and I'm just going to go on to put in a colon. And if I do add this right here, this is actually an official link. And if I do go on to maybe copying this particular link address first, then before I do click on enter, as you can see, it's going to take me to a page where I can actually do go on to seeing some ads right there, and you can just simply take advantage of that and maybe do go onto the site section. You want to just simply go on to including your site by clicking on add site, maybe your website. You could just simply add your website and actually go on to inserting your direct links right there into such website that can actually do help you go on to advertising some cool stuff, and you do get paid right there for such kinds of CPM or engagement which you do go on to get into that particular ads right now. You could also take advantage of this platform called Adsterra.com, and this is also a high CPM platform which you could also go on to registering for and start monetizing your website right here. As you can see, you could also go on to registering as an advertiser on this platform. On this Adsterra, you could register as an advertiser, as a publisher, as an affiliate right here. But it is quite important, like I said earlier, that you do go on to registering as a publisher, and you do get a chance to go on to monetizing your website right there, and actually do start driving a lot of traffic to your direct links which you do get from such platforms, and start making money using this strategy. So these are actually quite cool and amazing high CPM platforms which you could go on to taking advantage of right now and start using the direct link to make money in a very cool and easy manner right here. And like I said, most of these platforms actually do go on to paying you in cryptocurrencies through the wire bank transfer, or the wire bank transfer, the Pioneer, and other platforms out there. So make sure you do take advantage of these platforms right now to go on to making money in the year 2023 and beyond. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.